the bullet train, Japan's high-speed legend. The N700A is the most high-tech bullet train yet. 16 cars can carry more than 1,300 passengers. It spans 400 meters in length. It's electric. 25,000 volts travel directly from overhead wires to a motor on each wheel set, making it effectively 128-wheel drive. At each end, there's a driver's cabin, so the train can travel in either direction without reversing. By car, the trip from Tokyo to Osaka would take over 6 hours. By bullet train, it's just 2 hours and 22 minutes. On Japanese trains, politeness is important, so Ryo and I will be speaking softly so we don't disturb anyone. Our driver, Ryosuke, hits the throttle. It takes about 120 seconds for the Shinkansen to reach a top speed of 285 kilometers per hour.
We're really going at an incredible speed now. And I feel fine. Like, it's a very comfortable ride, isn't it? Here.
One of the reasons the train is so fast is its sleek design and light weight. The aluminum body is just half the weight of a conventional passenger train. It also has its own dedicated track. No sharing with slower trains.
I've learned a lot about the sense of speed, how it feels physically.
Luckily, that speed comes with more control. The motor on every wheel helps grip the track.
Really fast.
With dozens of high-speed trains on the same track, they must stay at least a kilometer apart to avoid running into each other.